What's up, Vancouver? I'm Caleb with Northwest Roof Maintenance, and today we are in East Vancouver, Washington. Now, today we have a blow-off and treat going on, and believe it or not, blow-offs, just specifically blow-offs, are actually one of the most requested services that we get as a company. Now, people mainly do it just for aesthetic reasons. They just don't want to see leaves, branches, and other kinds of debris on their roof. But really, blow-offs can be so much more important than just giving your roof a clean look. The debris that's left on your roof can actually act as a sponge and just soak up that water, and it leaves dirt stains, water stains, or just other stains that you're not going to be able to get rid of. Or worse, it can start causing leaks. So if you guys think that your roof needs a blow off, or you're just curious about the condition of your roof, go ahead and give us a call at 360-910-8938, and we'll see you soon.